Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by validating hardware and getting a SIM. This is the quick win. Check whether your laptop has an integrated 5G modem or if you need a certified 5G USB dongle, because the connection method changes slightly. Once you have an activated 5G SIM or eSIM plan, copy the APN and account details. Keeping that info handy saves time. Make sure drivers are up to date and create a simple backup of existing network settings so you can restore if needed. Now you'll install and configure the connection step by step. Plug in the 5G dongle or activate the eSIM and let the vendor software install drivers. Accept device prompts and restart if requested. Open network settings to input the APN, enable 5G or NR as the preferred band, and toggle data roaming if you plan to move between cells. Once connected, make sure to set connection priority and tethering options. Enable appropriate firewall rules so apps use the 5G link securely. Finish by verifying performance and handling common faults. You should run a speed test and note signal strength, band, for example N78 or N41, and latency. These tell you whether you're on true 5G. If speeds are low, move the laptop or antenna, try another SIM slot or an external modem and toggle bands. That often restores throughput. If it still fails, reset network settings or reprovision the SIM with your carrier. This single troubleshooting tip resolves most stubborn.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.